bonds and you fail to appear. No, it doesn't work like that. Yeah, we give you, they're not going to do a prescription for cocaine or meth, though. That's a card. You can get that on the bathroom wall. How do I know that that you're actually there?
That card the judge just dismissed as bathroom wall trash? It's the only thing standing between Kenneth Williams and a prison cell. He says he's changed, but the court's patience has finally run out. This is Kenneth Williams versus a legal system tired of excuses. With 3 open cases and a habit of disappearing, Kenneth claims he's found salvation at a facility called Gifted Souls. But there's a problem. His only proof is a business card, and his lawyer is already making excuses for a potential failed drug test. Is Kenneth actually in recovery, or is this just another play for time? His freedom now hinges on one single drug screen. To see how judges spot these patterns and what happens when the broken system defense fails, hit subscribe. We break down the tactics most people miss. Let's head into the courtroom and see how it began.
We had him scheduled for a TRS, but he wanted out before he could do it in custody. And they were PR bonds.
No, I'm not done with continue to give you PR bonds and you fail to appear. No, it doesn't work like that. Yeah, we give you a PR bond, you don't show up. We give you a PR bond, you pick up a new case. You know, it's over and over and over. I mean, when do we say when, Mr. Williams?
I got into a program. I got into rehab. I was homeless. I'm from South Carolina, and I got into a program.
We're up to 3 cases. We're up to 3 different times you don't appear. I mean, when do we say when?
They threw my paperwork and all this type of stuff away. I didn't know nothing about this.
Oh, they give you paperwork when you leave the jail.
They held my property, sir. And I came up here to get my property over like 10 times, and they sent me to another HPD or something.
Always someone else's fault. Always someone else's fault.
I went back and forth, sir. And that's why I got off on that error and got into a program like I told them I was going to do. And now I stayed up here so I could come up here and see what's going to go down with this right here, because I'm going back home.
What rehab are you trying to
Gifted Souls in Pearland.
You just give me a piece of paper?
I've been in there a whole week. I didn't want to just walk up to you and give it to you.
But this isn't a paper. This is just information about the program.
Yes, sir. I've been in a whole week.
So let's do this. Take a seat for me in the jury box. I'm going to get a hold of your lawyer. Because
I don't have a lawyer.
Yes, you do. We appointed you a lawyer. You have a lawyer, Mr. Brooker. So, I don't want to do anything until we talk with your lawyer to figure out where we're going to go. But, so just take a seat for me in the jury box. I'm going to get a hold of your lawyer. We'll see how we go forward.
Judge, I figured you want an update on Kenneth Williams. Do you recall we met on him? Looks like it was back on the 27th. Due to his failure to appear on one case, his bond was revoked. He went into custody. He bonded out. I wanted to just kind of share with you what's been going on since then with him.
Okay.
So, Judge, firstly, Mr. Williams has been staying at a place called Gifted Souls. It appears to be a mental health treatment facility. They helped him to get here today, so on and so forth. He does not have a phone as of today, but he intends to get one today, is my understanding. That will keep us in better communication. So originally I was appointed on, I believe, 2 cases, and then there was a third somehow. So I ultimately got on that case too. Spoke with the state. There's still some discovery outstanding. Even the offense report, strange because it's HPD, so we don't have that either. So they're unable to make a rec or anything at this time. I'm comfortable with him on bond, Judge, based on what he shared with me, that he is being treated by these folks. And I wanted to just get him out of the jury box so we can prepare his defense and move on from there. But last time you had some concerns, so I just wanted to make sure that we talked.
We let him out, he picks up cases, and then he doesn't show up. I mean, he's here today. Well, I guess we should be thankful for that. But I mean, it's just, how do I know he's doing what he's doing? You know,
He said he would, and he did.
What I'd like to do is I want to send him for a drug test to know if he's clean. And then If he's clean, we'll continue bond. If he's not, then figure out where to go.
Well, what I do know is that he was treated for, apparently he sustained some injuries while in jail, bad injuries. Went to Methodist. So I would imagine anything that you would find would be something that would be prescribed.
Come up, Mr. Wiggins. They're not going to do a prescription for cocaine or meth, though.
Understood. Yeah,
Right.
certainly. And to share with you,
Yes, sir.
this appears to be a mental health treatment and addiction therapy facility where he's staying now.
It's a card.
Just for knowledge for you.
Ultimately, that's a card.
Yeah.
There's no proof of admittance. You could be pulling the wool over my eyes. I have no idea, Mr. Williams. All I know is that you've got 3 open cases and you continually fail to appear. Yet they see fit to continue to give you PR bonds. It's not going to happen again. If you fail to appear on me again, even if they give you a PR bond, I'm going to put you right back in.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
You're not to use alcohol. You're not to use illegal drugs. And I'm sending you now for a drug test because I want to know what, if anything, is in your system.
Yes, sir.
You're not allowed to use anything. If you have a valid prescription, okay, but there's no valid prescription for meth, cocaine, psilocybin, PCP. There's no valid prescription for any of that. And I'm telling you not to drink alcohol as well. If I find that you're using any of that, I'm going to put you in. I'm not giving you another PR bond. So how do I know that you're in this actual facility? That's a card. You can get that on the bathroom wall. How do I know that that you're actually there?
Sir, but we can call him right now. I just don't have a phone, sir.
And Judge, I'll do the footwork on that. That's something that we've taken upon ourselves to verify, but based on what Mr. Williams has shared with me, I feel comfortable with what he shared with me today is true. He intends to get a phone today, so that would allow me to keep better tabs on him and keep him better advised as to what's going on with this case. But right now, the state doesn't have all of the evidence.
So this, I'm not waiving his appearance anymore. He's got to appear here from now on. Okay. How long till you get everything? The case is just too much drama. It's time to put it to bed.
Judge, it looks like everything's been requested. I'll follow up with my admin and see where we are.
It's weird. It's an HBD case from
That's what I
September.
said.
It should be in.
That's what Defense and I were saying at the table.
HBD uploads their stuff immediately. There's no excuse as to
Policy,
why.
actually, Judge, to do it the same day.
That's for Williams, right?
Yes, it is.
So I'm going to send him. So pick a day next week. We'll have him come back. I want you to bring me proof that you're actually in this facility. I don't want just a piece of paper. I want proof that you've actually been admitted and that you're staying there because I don't want you out on the street. That's what I've told you since the beginning. I don't want you on the street being up to no good and just living on the street. If you have a place to stay, wonderful. Then that's okay with me. But street is not okay.
Thank you, Judge. We'll
Okay.
take care of it.
All right. So pick a day next week. You have to be back here and I'm sending you for a drug test right now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.
For now, Judge, may you step into the gallery?
Kenneth Williams walked out for now, but only after the judge ordered an immediate drug test. The decision's made, but was it the right one? Here's the debate. Should the system keep giving chances to someone with 3 open cases, or is jail the only way to ensure accountability? Comment below, Team Kenneth or Team Judge. If this case got you thinking, hit like. Share this with a true crime fan.